All right, welcome back, guys. You're watching Mr. Primo Vision. I'm joined by Wade again. Big
Boom
up
bang.
yourself, Wade. All right. Um, quick article that we're gonna run through here, coming out of I think it's a Derbyshire. Let me check it real quick. Um, it says, hold on, Derbyshire Live. That's the name of the publication. Zin?
Yeah,
Derby County fans send Ravel Morrison message after performance against Manchester United. For
really.
those of you who are not aware, Ravel Morrison, Reggae Boyz midfielder, former Manchester United player, West Ham player, and several other clubs, is on trial at Derby County, given a chance by manager Wayne Rooney. Derby is in a bit of a spot, financial spot. They had a case of some financial difficulties and they're under some restrictions from the FA for not paying their players. So hence they're bringing in a lot of free agents and looking for inexpensive quality players to fill out the roster. All right. Now, with that being said, Ravel Morrison was a starter in the first preseason game for Derby County, where they took on no other than Manchester
Manchester
United.
United.
Right?
I see
Yeah, man.
Mr. Morrison started on the right wing.
I don't think that is right. He was in the midfield.
Mid,
You
yeah,
can't
playing on
you can't really follow. Yeah, you can't really follow some of them
the
websites. I
lineups.
watched the game. Yeah, I watched it. And he was playing in the central midfield.
Okay.
He was um. So let's get into the article. Derby County fans have been left excited after an impressive display from trialist Ravel Morrison, the former Manchester United prospect, playing against his old club today. Played 60 minutes as he looked to earn a contract at Pride Park.
Well
He
done.
was
Well
joined
done
by
on that.
yeah yeah he was joined by a number of trialists, including centre half Phil Jagielka and striker Sone Aluko, as United won 2 goals to 1. All right. Despite Derby being down 2-0 when Morrison was taken off, the 28-year-old player played well and earned rave reviews from the county fans on Twitter. All right. Here are some of these fan reactions. Right. Lewis Everett 11 says, "Good to see Rams fans appreciate Morrison after the first 45 minutes." At Kez says, "I genuinely wanted Morrison to succeed. Hope Rooney can get some focus out of him and give him some consistent minutes. Could be a huge boost to the season for DCFC." All right. Luke Thorough 45. The trialists all look good, especially impressed with Baldock and Morrison. And it goes on and on with just rave reviews for Lord Ravel there. You see, at Dean Steve 78 says sign Ravel Morrison up. So Ravel is a good look. You know what I mean? It's
I
really a good
think
look, and I'm go ahead.
no, I'm just thinking this is such a very good dose of confidence that's well needed for Mr. Morrison. A nice
Yeah,
reassurance, coming
yeah,
from, first of all, the vote of confidence from the general himself, Wayne Rooney, you know,
yeah.
in my personal opinion, the greatest English footballer ever produced,
Mm,
As a Arsenal fan, I don't think any ball, he's been terrorizing us since he was 16 years old. He has highlight reels against us
yeah,
since he was 16 years old. And to give
mm,
that type of legend, right?
yeah,
To give Rafael a vote of confidence to start and give him 60
yeah,
minutes, knowing
yeah,
his fitness level, because we all know Ravel's fitness is not there yet. And
yeah,
to get 60 minutes out of him and to get lauded by the fans,
yeah,
that is such a boost of confidence. And I'm hoping now he tastes this recognition that he's getting now. It
yeah,
re-energizes him and reminds him of the time, how symbolic of him playing against Manchester United, his former peak, right?
yeah,
His biggest moment in his life to date. in
Yeah.
his football career, right?
Yeah.
To reignite that spark in him again, he's going to taste all that. And I hope he works, he knows the work it's going to need to put in to maintain it
Yeah.
because we need him.
Yeah.
We need him. We
I
need him
would.
at his best. And this is very good news for Jamaica because we know that he's in our World Cup plans, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that right now that the Gold Cup has started and we're enjoying the Gold Cup, we can start to
Yeah.
look forward to the World Cup now. And
Yeah.
definitely look, it should give the team a boost of confidence going forward. So
Yeah.
this is very
Let's
good
let's
news.
let's not get ahead of ourselves though. Let's hope he can put pen to paper.
Speaking to the confidence.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean
Yeah.
no? But JFF will not have a good while still, so I expect it to
No,
get done.
I'm
Like
talking I'm not JFF. I'm talking about Ravel
at Derby,
signed at Derby, hoping that he gets through with the trial and gets the contract.
right?
The fans' reaction is one thing, but hopefully the management can see him as a useful player,
Player, right?
and it will definitely. I think Ravel
Because
needs
what
stability. I think he needs stability more than anything else, and
the
that
comments,
stability
the
will
comments,
benefit.
the comments you're reading from the article itself,
Mhm.
um, kind of spoke to that, the
Yeah,
appreciation,
yeah, yeah,
So everybody knows this, and he should know it himself. So let's just get it done.
yeah. It's definitely positive news for Lord Ravel, and hopefully he can get that contract and things stay on track. Um, in my opinion, the performance was good. It wasn't great, but it was good. But and from a Derby perspective, I can see why they're positive. You know what I mean?
Right.
I think he was probably his usage of the ball is excellent. I think he could have his work rate could have been higher, but that is
So you're
naturally
saying he played more as a central attacking player, or
yes,
was it a
yes.
right
Um,
midfield,
it was a more of a box to box role, progressing
box to box, really, with the
yeah,
play? But behind the
yeah.
striker, did he go
No,
wide at any point in the match?
no, he played across thing there. Like I said, he played that box to box role. He played across the center of the pitch. He
Okay,
basically he was that player that collect the ball and advance the ball. The thing that I'm saying though, with what I noticed from the performance, the only thing I would say is I wish he was a little bit more involved to show more of his quality. Because when he was, he definitely displayed it.
I am
So if the
definitely going to
work,
put that down to fitness. These
yeah, so
all
if the
these
work
all these
rate,
players.
yeah, so if the work rate could increase, I think Derby would definitely benefit. Well, it's a good
That
start for Ravel, and hopefully it continues well. You know what I mean?
yeah, work rate
All
definitely
right,
won't
guys.
increase until fitness come up.
Yeah, man. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.